Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to start a party chat on your Xbox Series X, and this is easy to do. So press the Xbox button, open up the side menu here, then use R1 and tab on over to Messages. So you can see on the top here, Parties and Chats. We want to go to Start a Party. Select A on this. Now we are in a party and we can invite people to it. So press this button right here on your controller and you can invite more. So select people to invite to this specific party. Just go to the top, invite to party, invite to game. You can switch that around as well. So you can even go to their profile, you can invite them to the game via that way. Otherwise, invite more down here. It'll give you the same options. But we want to go to options here and we can make this invite only. So random people can't join, or we can control who joins. But you can see it's an invite only party on the top there. So we can mute everyone in the party chat. We can switch to the game chat. So we're in the party chat and we're trying to speak to people who are in our Fortnite lobby. Well, if they're not in the party chat, we won't hear them. So you need to go to here to switch to the specific game chat. Then we have noise suppression, audio settings down here, configure accessibility settings. So the audio music settings are the same. Then show text or leave party here at the bottom. So that is how you easily can create a party chat on your Xbox Series X. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.